If you've archived a project in ProofHub and now need it back, restoring it is quick and simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to restore archived projects in ProofHub step by step in 2026. First, sign in to your ProofHub account and go to your main workspace dashboard where all projects are managed. Next, navigate to the Archive Projects or Inactive Projects section from the sidebar menu. This is where all previously archived projects are stored. Now scroll through the list and find the project you want to restore. Make sure you're selecting the correct one before proceeding. Next, click on the Options menu next to the project. This is usually shown as a three-dot icon or Settings menu. From the drop-down menu, select the Restore Project option. ProofHub will immediately prepare to move the project back to your active workspace. Confirm your action when prompted. Once confirmed, your project will be restored and returned to your active project list. After restoring, go back to your main dashboard and check your active projects list. Your restored project should now appear there. Open the project to make sure all tasks, files, discussions, and notes are still intact. Nothing is lost during restoration. Before restoring a project, make sure your workspace is ready for it again. This helps avoid confusion and keeps your active projects organized. And that's how to restore archived projects in ProofHub. Yeah, restoring projects helps you quickly bring back important work whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.